है फ्रेंड्स। सो जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो में देखा था, लाइक हाउ टू क्रिएट आवर फ्री अकाउंट इन स्नोफ्लेक एंड IICS। सो इस वीडियो में मैं थोड़ा सा स्नोफ्लेक में थोड़ा सा और बेसिक्स में जाना चाहूँगा। ओके। सो स्नोफ्लेक में जैसा कि हमने लास्ट वीडियो जो हमने क्या क्या प्रोसेस किया था, लाइक स्नोफ्लेक में अपना हम लोगों ने अपना अकाउंट क्रिएट किया था। एंड आफ्टर द क्रिएशन ऑफ अकाउंट हम लोगों ने क्या किया था, एक वहाँ पे एक EMP अंडरस्कोर बेसिक नाम से हम लोगों ने वहाँ पे क्या किया था, एक हम लोगों ने टेबल बनाई थी। Okay, so this thing, up to this thing we have done now. So in this video I will like to let you know how to load the data into our EMP underscore basic table via UI and SNOWSQL. Okay, so यदि आपको यूजर इंटरफेस के थ्रू डेटा लोड करना है तो you will go to this worksheet screen. Okay, now here you will click on this data. Okay, जैसे आप डेटा में क्लिक करोगे आप यहाँ पे पब्लिक जाओगे पब्लिक स्कीमा पे, देन ऑटोमेटिकली योर टेबल वुड बी विजिबल टू यू। आप यहाँ पे जैसे क्लिक करोगे तो यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस लोड डेटा ऑप्शन। नाउ यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दिस ब्राउज ऑप्शन। तो जिस भी पाथ पे लोकल डायरेक्टरी पे आपके फाइल रखी होगी, ओके, इट विल गेट ओपन नाउ। So if you see, it will go and loaded into this schema which is present in this database. Okay, and it will load this EMP underscore basic table. Okay, next. Yeah, this is the most important thing, file format. So whenever you are going to load any data, file format is mandatory. So that Snowflake can understand which type of file you are going to load. So as we Snowflake supports multiple type of file formats, we are loading CSV file. So here in our file we have to put skip line equal to first. Why? Because the file which I am going to load, in that file first first line is our header. Okay, that's why I have selected this option. Second thing, it's comma split. Okay, date format. So in our case, as I have used DDMONYYY, so we have to select this thing. Now this is the most important thing. So as we are going to load data with the help of this NoSQL, so but internally what command it is going to run? If you see what it is doing, it is copy into our this table from. So if you see here, it is at the rate database name, schema name, that percentage EMP underscore basic, and it is selecting our file format. So what is the mean of this at the rate percentage? So Snowflake क्या करता है, whenever we are going to load data into Snowflake, any data, so first of all it puts that data into the staging area. Okay, so in real time projects, sometimes that is external staging area, like whenever we are loading data into from AWS or GCP or anyway, so in that case we have to create some external staging area. But by default, as a to by default Snowflake creates internal staging area for all the tables. Whenever we are creating any table, so for that table Snowflake automatically provides one internal staging area. Okay, so Snowflake basically provides two types of staging area, one is internal, another one is external. So in internal also, for each table it provides one staging area. Okay, now so we have clicked on this option. Now I will go and click on this load button. So if you see, it's a very simple, like this data has been loaded into our Snowflake environment. If you query this thing, so if you see, two rows has been loaded into our Snowflake environment. Let's come to load another way how we can load. So here we have just loaded with the help of user interface. Now so I have downloaded one command line tool which we call it SnowSQL. So you can go and download this SnowSQL with the help of Snowflake website. Whenever after installing this NoSQL, so you have to just go to your command line. Okay, and here you have to type SnowSQL. Okay, hyphen u means your username. So your username would be, I in my first video regarding Snowflake I have told you this link is most important for all of us. So this is our username. Okay, so you have to just go and paste your username, sorry, account name, sorry. So you have to first put your account name. Okay, this is your account name. Then you have to put your username. So username would be this. So with the help of which user you are going to log in into your Snowflake. So these things you have to mention, account name and username. So it will ask for your password. You have to mention your password. So after entering your password, you will see you have been logged into SNOWSQL. Now, how to log in or how to load data with the help of this SNOWSQL? So what we can do, first of all, we can go and select our database if we want, or what we can do, we can directly run this command. What command we have to run? First of all, sorry, so first of all, before loading data into our tables, if we are loading that data with the help of SNOWSQL, so first of all we have to run this put command. Put file, and after that your path of the file, and where we have to put the file, we have to put our files into this staging area. So let me copy this thing. Okay, copy, and I will paste these things. If you see, this file has been loaded into our staging area. So whenever Snowflake is going, we are going to load data into our staging area, by default it is going to compressed. Okay, after loading data into the our staging area, if you want to see okay what files have been loaded, you can run this command. Second thing, in case whenever you are going to load data through SNOWSQL, it is it is it is mandatory it is always mandatory to put the file into first into staging area. We have to run put command. After that you can run your copy command. Okay, so we can run this copy command. Okay, let me copy this thing. Okay, and let me paste these things. So emp basic does not exist where we are basing. From at the emp underscore basic, let me share these things. Let me try to rerun these things. Copy, let me run this. This have been pasted, copy into basic txt dot target file is source into this loaded. Okay, now from at the rate emp underscore basic. So this is our staging area. So let me scroll a little bit down. Okay, let me try to rerun these things. I think I need to first select database. Okay, sorry. Let me go and check what is my current database name. Use database sf underscore tuts. Okay, let me go use database underscore tuts. Okay, let me paste these things. Yeah, this has been loaded. So if you go and you can check the data, select star from emp underscore basic. Okay, so if you see, initially we have loaded two rows with the help of our user interface, and now another two rows has been loaded with the help of our SNOWSQL. If you want, you can run the same query here also. Okay, if you see, four rows has been loaded, but make sure you cannot run put file command in user interface. So if you want to put the file in the staging area, uh, so you have to run first put command through command line tool only. So that's all from this session. In future video I will try to provide you a session how to load data from IICS to our data Snowflake database. Thank you.